Renato Rene Requiestas, January 22, 1957. July 24, 1993, was a Filipino actor, comedian, and politician. Requiestas was one of the top Filipino comedians of the late 1980s up to the early 1990s. Requiestas was known for his sidekick roles alongside other comedy actors such as Joey De Leon and his pairing with Chris Aquino in romantic comedies, as well as his fluent English speaking, distinctive gaunt, and toothless appearance. Requiestas' early appearances in films consisted of small incidental roles in dramas such as Ikaw-Akin in 1978 and Pabling in 1981. From 1987 to 1988, he was a cast member of the stage play WIS, Walang Ibig Sabihin at the Manila Metropolitan Theater, with critic Mike Feria noting his inclination to ad-lib. He would later receive supporting roles in comedy films, beginning with Sheeman, Mistress of the Universe in September 1988. His performance in Smith and Wesson as the bumbling villain named Don Johnson Wax was praised by critic Lav Diaz, who considered him to have a natural talent in comedy. Maricel Soriano, who collaborated with Requiestas in the film Leon at Tigger, expressed that unlike other lead actors she worked with in comedies, he was usually quiet and by himself on the set. Requiestas once remarked that the films he does is largely for his mother, stating that she is already old and need to be sure that everything is for her. I don't want her to experience any more hardships at her age. After Requiestas' death in July 1993, critic Mario E. Bautista expressed regret that Requiestas was unable to star in a single good film in his career in spite of his comedic talents. Political career. In 1991, Requiestas filed his candidacy for Councilor of Taguig's 2nd Lone District under the party ticket of Dr. Lloyd Labaw of Laban NG Demokratikong Pilipino LDP for the 1992 elections and later won. He proclaimed on July 4, 1992, after almost 4 weeks of canvassing of the votes. He placed 2 out of 46 other candidates and garnered 20,909 votes, and he's sworn as Councilor of Taguig on July 6, 1992, until his death on July 24, 1993. Personal life. In 1989, Requiestas expressed his wish to attend college in order to set an example for his siblings. Later that year, Requiestas adopted a daughter and named her Darren Chris Nee, taken from his and Chris Aquino's names. She was born on November 11, 1989, to Requiestas' distant relatives, but due to their difficulty in raising numerous children, Requiestas decided to adopt the child as his own. Death. Requiestas died on July 24, 1993, at the age of 36 due to tuberculosis, liver and lung failure, and complications caused by alcohol abuse and smoking. He was initially buried in Manila Memorial Park, Sikat in Parañaque, and later transferred to Cainta Public Cemetery in Cainta, Rizal. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.